Hold on tight. These 30 unbelievable facts will blow your mind and change the way you look at the world. Octopuses have 3 hearts, and 2 of them stop beating when they swim, leaving only one active. Koalas have fingerprints that are almost identical to humans, making it hard even for experts to tell them apart. Honey never goes bad. Archaeologists found 3,000-year-old honey in Egyptian tombs that was still good to eat. A blue whale's heart is so big that a human could swim through its arteries, and it can weigh as much as a small car. Bananas are slightly radioactive because they contain potassium-40, a natural radioactive element. Sharks have existed for over 400 million years, making them older than trees, which appeared about 350 million years ago. Sloths move so slowly that algae can grow on their fur, helping them blend into the trees to avoid predators. Tardigrades, tiny creatures, can survive extreme conditions, including outer space, extreme heat, and radiation. A day on Venus is longer than its year, taking 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 days to orbit the Sun. Sea otters hold hands while they sleep to keep from drifting apart, often forming groups called rafts. Cows form best friends and can get stressed when separated from them, much like humans do. The world's smallest fish, the Paedocyprus progenetica, is only about 7.9 millimeters long and lives in Southeast Asia. Penguins have a special gland near their eyes that filters salt from seawater, allowing them to drink ocean water. Wombat poop is cube-shaped, which helps it stay in place when they use it to mark their territory. The Eiffel Tower grows taller by about 15 centimeters in the summer because the metal expands in the heat. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance, which perfectly describes their colorful gatherings. The moon moves about 3.8 centimeters away from Earth each year, which will eventually make our days longer. Butterflies taste with their feet, which they use to sense if plants are good for laying their eggs on. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur to absorb and retain heat in the cold Arctic environment. Humans and giraffes both have 7 neck bones, but giraffes' vertebrae are much larger. The shortest war in history was between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896 and lasted only 38 minutes. The Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the ocean, so deep that Mount Everest would be underwater if placed inside. Some jellyfish are biologically immortal, meaning they can revert to their younger form and start life over again. Sharks rarely get cancer compared to other animals, and scientists study them to understand why. Elephants are the only animals that can't jump due to their massive size and strong legs. Rats laugh when they're tickled, but their giggles are too high-pitched for humans to hear without special equipment. A group of crows is called a murder, and they often gather in noisy, large groups. Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, is on Mars and is nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, even though Mercury is closer to the Sun, due to its thick atmosphere trapping heat. Snails can sleep for up to 3 years when the weather is too dry, waiting for moisture to return before they wake up.